I'm going to be trying a new product that I haven't even tried yet from the folks of Naked Armor. So here's what you'll get. In the DE Razor kit, you get a lifetime warranty. Just tells you how to go register that product. You get a nice wooden handled brush and a wooden handled safety razor and some face soap. And this is a 3-piece razor. Comes apart just like that. It's a closed comb razor. Naked Armor. Got the name right on that. It's a nice fat handle. Wood. This brush also is wood handle. It's got a little stainless steel or chrome cap on it. Doesn't smell like wet animal. All right. Now, although this wood is smooth, my hands are wet and I've got a pretty good grip on it. Razor seems pretty smooth. Shaves pretty smooth. Man, I can haul with this razor. Well, there you have it. Naked Armor. It's a nice kit.